What is the publisher-developer role in esports industry dynamics? Imagine a world where the games you love are shaped by teams working behind the scenes. In esports, the relationship between publishers and developers is at the heart of how the industry grows and evolves. Publishers are the companies that fund, market, and distribute the games. They decide how much money goes into creating the game, from art and sound to online features. They also set the rules for how the game is played at a competitive level. Developers are the teams or studios that actually design and build the game. They focus on creating engaging gameplay, fixing bugs, and updating content to keep players interested. In esports, this partnership is essential. Publishers provide the financial backing needed to develop high-quality games that can support competitive scenes. They often have the final say on game features, balancing mechanics, and tournament settings. This control influences how the game is played in tournaments and how it looks to viewers. Once the game is ready, publishers handle marketing campaigns to attract players and sponsors. They also manage the distribution, whether through digital downloads or physical copies. This ensures the game reaches a global audience and keeps the esports ecosystem thriving. Developers work closely with publishers to meet deadlines and improve the game based on player feedback. They keep updating the game with new content, balance patches, and features that support competitive play. This ongoing support helps keep players engaged and tournaments exciting. The publisher-developer relationship also impacts sports marketing and sponsorships. Publishers own the intellectual property rights and decide which brands can sponsor events or teams. They control how sponsorships are structured and which tournaments get broadcasted. Athletes' salaries are also influenced by this dynamic. Publishers often fund prize pools for tournaments, which directly affects how much players can earn. Sometimes publishers contribute directly to prize money, or they take a share of revenue from in-game purchases and sponsorship deals. This revenue sharing can determine how lucrative esports careers become for athletes and teams. Practically speaking, publishers and developers collaborate to launch new esports titles, organize leagues, and attract sponsors. For example, a publisher might partner with a developer to create a game specifically designed for competitive play. They then work with brands to sponsor tournaments and teams, helping to grow the scene. This partnership boosts visibility for sponsors, creates more earning opportunities for players, and helps the industry expand. In the end, the publisher and developer roles are the backbone of esports industry dynamics. Their work shapes how games are made, marketed, and supported. This influences sponsorship opportunities, athlete earnings, and the overall growth of esports as a global sport. Their collaboration is key to building a vibrant, sustainable future for competitive gaming.